I started up a new hobby business, which I just put on here as fun, stogie dip. It's a little dip you put on the end of the cigar and kind of flavor it as you're smoking it.
Chad's got all sorts of shit going on. So Chad, give us one tippity top for you so far in 2026.
Well, I mean, when you start concentrating on your business and you start marketing it correctly for a customer acquisition, it's funny how it happens. I mean, I've added, around 30 new clients. I'm only $17,000 of MMR away from $1 million a year, which is unbelievable.
Comes quick.
It's just, yeah. I mean, I'm making way more money now than when I had my service business. So, and I'm loving it. I work 3 days a week. But the thing is now I've done exactly what I teach everybody else to do. Now I've got to go hire coaches, go figure that out, to start speaking more and start getting it to where the business doesn't rely on me. So, but you got to start first. You got to go through phase 1, or I guess phase 2. I guess I'm in phase 2.
Yeah.
To do that. So it's been very intentional. It all has worked.
I've never seen you on stage before. Do you go around and speak at conferences and stuff?
I hate to pat myself on the back, but I'm very good on stage.
I would expect
I don't do it enough.
Yeah.
I need to get out a lot more on stage. I've spoke at about 10 national events for different places, and they always want me to come back. And every time they want me to come back, I've already booked something else. Yeah. So I need to do more of that and get paid to do that and stuff. Because I've got a good story. 29 years of starting a business. I didn't work there for the last 11 years. I mean, I still manage the management, but that could have been from my blind, or the boat or everything else. Which I did.
Yeah.
I did do it like that, and so I think I got sucked in out of 11 years, maybe 6 months total, where I actually had to go back to work. We turned
one
over
time you had to fire all your salespeople.
That was the 4 months of the 6 I had to do it. It was that little part of the book right there.
Remember that.
So, yeah, I mean, I started up a new hobby business, which I just put on here as fun, stogie dip. It's a little dip you put on the end of the cigar and kind of flavor it as you're smoking it.
Oh, interesting.
And, I've done a couple different flavors and taken it. I made it for me. I literally made it for me. Tried it to a buddy. He says, you need to make this for everybody else. One of those sneaky little secret little type of stuff. And next thing you know, I'm getting called by cigar shops. They want it and all this stuff because they've tried it. And I'm like,
side biz.
It's not even a product yet.
Yeah. We can't mass produce this yet.
Yeah, it's been a whirlwind for that a little bit. I'm actually trying to slow down so I keep focused on what I'm doing versus making that hobby business doesn't take over my life.
Yeah,
it's not making any money yet. I mean, I don't want it to take over my life, but it's been fun. It's been fun getting free cigars and shit when you go to places and stuff. That's pretty cool.
What you got to do, I saw this online, is you got to have a bunch of ants carry around a cigar and dip it for you. And if that goes viral, you'll get free shit forever. I've seen it play out.
That's true. That's true.
You just got to have some ants around, and then they'll do the work for you. Can you make me a Busch Light flavored one? Well, Busch Light flavored. I
actually probably could. So if I can go get the infused Busch Light flavoring, I could. Yeah,
that'd be hilarious. Hey, home service heroes! Thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.